believe this was the armory. Yep. John Brown and his 21 men gave their lives. And this is to commemorate their heroism. John Brown's fort. Concord Bridge and Construction Company, 1893. Rad. That's just pretty magical looking, in my opinion. Man, smells so good out here. Ooh, this is so pretty. So, this is a Washington monument. It's pretty rad. We were just kind of set up in this camp under a little pavilion. And then I already had dinner. We're relaxing. We're all going to sleep. And then a ranger came and told us that the park was closing. But we wouldn't have seen this if we hadn't had to pack up all of our stuff and leave. So there's that. Ooh. It's been raining since I got up this morning. Since I crawled from the tent, it's just been raining the whole time. I got off trail, went on a blue blaze, didn't realize it for a mile because I hadn't really looked up because it was just pouring, you know? But look, the sun is sort of shining. Yeah, I'm gonna dry out. It's gonna be great, you know? It's always a positive. Currently not raining. Lovely. Gonna make it to the Pennsylvania border. Wow, I still have a while. I probably have an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. Can't believe I went off in that blue blaze. Gotta pay attention to your surroundings. But my hands were just frozen and the rain was hitting me, so I just like tucked in, you know, and I was just walking. Anyway, yeah. It's pretty out here, but there's all this like graffiti. But I mean, the nature itself is beautiful. Cool rocks and stuff, nice trail. Springer. Next patch, that's where we spent Easter. I don't know what else I know. Oh, the priest. This climb was super terrible. Well, just getting up there. That was nice. Flew through the Shenandoah. And we're here-ish. And we're going. Yeah, sunshine. Go to Mason-Dixon line, Maryland and Pennsylvania. Cool. It's kind of weird. Check that out. Walking on old trolley line just in back Jim's popcorn stand. Ice cream, hot, cold sandwiches. Beside Jim's was a trolley station. Also Penmar Post Office. This was in early 1900s. Why'd they skip on the words? I wish there was still a Jim's popcorn stand. I want a hot cocoa. Gosh, what? You see how they skipped a bunch of words? So it's hailing now. Oh. Better than rain though. Keeps looking like it's gonna rain. And then all of a sudden it's blue skies again. And sunshine. Yeah, nice. Well, stayed at the Rocky Mountain Shelter. It was like 0.3 off trail. Oh, there were 2 shelters. And a lot of space for tenting down below. Oh, it was good. We did like 32 or 33 miles yesterday from Pine Knob Shelter to the Rocky Mountain Shelter. We got there before dark, set up the tents, dinner, snack, rummaging around like a bunch of trash pandas because we're going to Pine Grove Furnace today. And I already called the Iron Masters Mansion because it's super cool. We're going to stay there tonight, laundry, showers, and they have a light resupply. And also the half-gallon challenge. Pun's going to do it. He said, you're going to do it too. And I was like, I don't know. Can I eat a half-gallon of ice cream without throwing up? I'm not sure. Probably. Maybe. Anyway. That's today's game plan. Had a delightful chat with Frosty the Slow Man this morning. He's a flip-flopper and he just started at Harper's Ferry, so he's probably not really gonna stay slow. Yeah. Anyway, I should probably start hiking. I've got like 22 miles. It's supposed to start raining again in a couple hours. Ooh, I gotta call my mom. It's Mother's Day. I'm in Caledonia State Park now. It's really pretty. And there's a big old water slide over there. Not open yet, I guess. Yeah, Caledonia. Look at this. Most difficult. Dun, dun, dun. What? Somebody's food bag? Maybe they're still camped. Oh, it says Trail Magic. Woo, let's get that sucker down. Please. Oh yeah, sign back. Will do. Thank you for the cookies. Mystery cookie person. Quarry Gap Shelter. Fancy. Raisin, innkeeper, and cowboy. Thank you. Milesburn Cabin, available for rent to the public through the PATC. Looks so cute. It's raining. I just stopped at the Birch Run Shelter. Just for a minute. I had to pee. And honestly, it's super annoying with all this stuff on. So I took all my stuff off so I could go pee real quick. I need to fix my hood. Anyway, this place is nice. Sunset. Well, momentarily, it's just sprinkling a little. And it smells really good out here. It's nice because I can breathe through my nose now. I've been real snotty all morning. It's cold, wet, you know. Kind of had to go up some stuff. Whatever. It's not rockets all day. See? Again. Another little kind of area. Rick, I made it to the Gatorade. Thank you so much for the trail magic. And all the other hikers, thank you as well. There were a bunch of them on my way down here that were like, oh, there's magic in the stream. So yeah, thank you. Another chimney in the middle of the woods. This looks nice. Classy little shelter. Oh, this is the time. Huh. I'll just take the bridge. Once so slippery out, maybe. Pine Grove Furnace. Half-gallon challenge is going down soon. I don't think I'm gonna do it, but Pine is.